Hey guys, how's it going? Trevor here from TJ's Motor Vlogging Adventures, and tell you what, it's pretty windy all day today out here at Lake Tinaroo. Just a heads up for you guys, I'm going to be making a cooking video out here at Tinaroo on the weekend. It's been pretty crazy this week with work, and I haven't been able to do too much, but yep, this weekend I'll be riding out, a little bit of riding, a little bit of cooking. It's going to be great fun. And while I'm here, while I've got you, a big g'day to the Facebook motorcycle group in Brisbane called Motorcycle Newbies and Seasoned Riders. Hey, you guys are dead set legends. Alright, so yeah, this weekend, video out here at Tinaroo, and I'll see you then. Okay, see ya.